We are here today at the Rotorua Skyline. Those there are some Schindler escalators. Is the lift a Schindler? Well, we'll go and see. No. Instead we have this piece of shit. And associated lifts generic. It's on its way up. We're only going to take this one for one ride down to ground as it's only a crap generic, and of course nobody cares about crap generics. Alex Ellis has filmed here before.
Doors opening,
It's funny,
lift going down.
Filmed the same lift as me in a different city. Ground, there's no door
Doors
closed, so you
closing.
just need to go. Maximum load 800 kgs or 10 persons. Nice interior. Here we are at ground.
Ground floor. Doors opening, lift going up.